everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so glad that you have somehow made it to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We are doing an easy peasy 5-minute makeup look. Of course, this video is probably a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but this specific makeup look takes me less than 5 minutes for an easy, like, gotta get out of the house. Of course, with any makeup look, you can add a little bit more. You can take away some of the products that I use, but I'm so excited to share with y'all my latest 5-minute makeup face because, like I said, not everybody has 30 minutes to get ready in the morning, so I am here to accommodate for everybody. All of these products today are pharmacy. I am a director with pharmacy, so you can shop any of these products in the description below. There is a shopping link, and if you need any help, always find me on social media. Don't forget to follow me. Everything is going to be in the down bar in the description. So I'm super excited. If you're ready to see this easy peasy 5-minute makeup look, then go ahead and get started watching the video. And don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing is first, we are going to start off with our handy dandy VFX Strobe Primer. This is literally the best stuff ever. The best stuff that pharmacy literally has ever came out with, in my opinion. One of the best things, I should say. But this primer is great for pretty much all skin types. Now, if you do have like more oilier skin, you can like go for the silver one that we like to call it. But just for like an easy everyday makeup look, this is just my favorite because it's just easy to wear. It feels really good on the skin. It's hydrating and it looks really nice. And of course, y'all, all these products are super affordable, but we're gonna do a super easy, quick makeup look today because not everybody has a lot of time to get ready in the morning. So I love that our products, like the bare necessity, still gives you a really flawless finish. So first step is our VFX Strobe Primer, literally my holy grail. Okay, so the next part is we are going to do our CC cream, y'all. This is the best stuff if you're on the go. If you don't want like a heavy foundation, this is not heavy at all, but it is medium to full coverage. If you don't want anything this high of a coverage, you could easily just do our BB cream and it's gonna give you like perfect coverage. Just really hydrating, but you can either pick a BB cream, you can pick a CC cream, you can pick any of our foundations, but this is just an everyday foundation. Although it does have really great coverage, it's not super full, but even if you're going on a date night, you can still use this. Like, it's very multi-use and literally a great foundation to have in your makeup bag. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Now if I am doing more like full glam, I will conceal my under eyes and I'll do things like that. But like I said, not everybody has 30 minutes to get ready in the morning, so that's why I want to curate this video for the people on the go. Our liquid concealer. This is so great if you have dry skin, even if you have oily under eyes, but especially if you have dry under eyes, this is what I always recommend. It is so creamy. I'm using the light ivory and we are brightening the under eye. It is a miracle worker. Okay, so the third step, is this even the third step? We're gonna do BB powder. So we have so many different powders that you can choose from as far as setting your under eyes, setting your face. I personally like to go in with the BB powder because it has really great coverage. It's like a velvety finish and it looks so nice on the skin. I use this to set my under eyes. Pretty much everywhere that we did that concealer, I'm going to go in and we're going to set the foundation. Okay, who agrees that right now the makeup looks super boring? You can tell that we've already put the foundation, we've put concealer, we've put the powder on, and our foundation is one color. Okay, so that's the whole point of foundation, is making you one color. Now we have to go back and we need to add some blush, some bronzer, some highlighter, just to add dimension to the face and a little bit of color, because I have like natural rosiness or red tones in my cheeks. With foundation, it covers it up, so I want to go back and add some blush. So this is our 3-in-1 face palette, the best palette to throw in your purse, in your little makeup bag, because you have all 3 products that you need in one, and with a little compact mirror, handy dandy. Like, how amazing is that? So I'm going to go in with the bronzer, and I'm just going to sweep it right on my cheekbone, like kind of high up there, just like that. And then I'll do a little bit on my forehead, but not too much. I've kind of really enjoyed not bringing the bronzer super high in the forehead. So just kind of keep it right where the arch of my brow is, diagonally up, and then that's it. So sweep it. I get like a lot of it, tap it off. Make sure you tap off the excess of all of your makeup, whether it's powder or whatever the case may be. That way you don't have too much and then it becomes cakey and you build up too much. So we're just going to swirl it on. You can still see my little bumps. So that's what I love about this makeup, is you can, if I wanted to conceal them, I could have added a little bit more coverage. I can use a little bit more CC cream, but super easy 5-minute makeup look. I could easily do this in like 30 minutes because it is so easy, and these products really make it super quick to do your makeup. And then if you want to chisel your nose and make it look little, you can do that as well. And then right under the lip, I like to go in and add a little bit, just make that bottom lip look a little bit more fuller. So the next step is blush, and I'm going to take a little angled brush. If you want this or any of the brushes, you can just find the link in the down bar that says brushes, and you can shop with my discount code. But I am going to pop this blush in the apples of my cheeks and blend it together and blend it upward. That way you always want your makeup to blend up rather than bringing it down. Like, I know essentially you would probably not really care if you have 5 minutes to get out of the house, but I kind of just want to walk you through why I am doing what I am doing. So this is kind of like a tutorial, but also like a really quick 5-minute look, okay? Because I know when I'm in a rush, I really don't care what my makeup looks like. So we're going to blend it up, kind of like way up, really above the ear, kind of like right where the end of the arch of my brow is, back. That's kind of where I like to blend it. Step of this wonderful palette is the highlighters. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that. Do y'all see that shimmer? Holy cow, y'all. Look at that. And I like to look like a glowing goddess, so that is why I like to use just a little bit more than some. I love to look super glowy. Y'all see that highlight? Holy cow. So one thing about a super quick 5-minute makeup look for me, I know for everybody that's different, you can use the same palette that we did our blush, bronzer, and highlighter for your eyeshadow. So instead of it being a 3-in-1 palette, it's easily a 6-in-1 palette, because you can use literally all of these colors at the same time on your lid. I'm not going to share with y'all how to do that tonight or today. We're not going to do eyeshadow. So if it is a super quick look and I do not have time, I could care less about eyeshadow. So that is why we are not going to do that. But this is an option for my ladies who just want a little bit of shimmer on the lid or a little bit of dimension on the lid. You could easily do that, but for me right now, we're just going to do a little bit of mascara and a little bit of gloss, and that is our easy peasy 5-minute makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera because I make the funniest and the ugliest faces ever. So I'll catch you when I get done. I went in with our Double Lash Extend mascara. This is like the best mascara lately that I have been enjoying. Of course, I love all of ours, but I'm just in like a routine right now, and Double Lash Extend has been a part of that routine, and it is not going anywhere. I did use the volume side, so if you can see, there's a one for length and one for volume. I have been really enjoying the volume one, literally hands down one of the best mascaras ever. Now we're going to do lips, and I'm going to do a lip gloss You can do liquid lipsticks if you need it to last a little bit longer, but I absolutely love this Nude Flirt gloss. It is the perfect color for every day, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to do a lip liner 223, and keep in mind, y'all, 5-minute makeup look, you don't even have to wear a liner. But I just want to be a little extra because that is what I am. And we are going to line the lips. I'm going to make it a little bit more bolder. And the key for your lips to look super full and plumped is to overline, my friend. Overline, overline. That is the key. So 223. Now we're going to go in with Nude Flirt. Tap a little bit on the upper lip. Wipe away any excess. That we got it. And we are done. Alrighty, y'all, we are done with the video. I hope that y'all liked it. Super easy, 5-minute makeup. It's glowy, it's fresh, and it's gonna last you all day long. So if you want to shop any of these makeup products, you can find the link in the description, fashionablyfaithfulbeauty.com. And if you need any help, always reach out to me via email. You can do it on Instagram, Facebook, and I would love to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. New videos are coming weekly. I know I keep saying that, but I really promise they're coming weekly. And everything from fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all the things like that. So if you like those types of videos, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. But I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I love y'all so much. Bye.